Hey, what's up guys, I'm Henry. Welcome again with another tech review video. This time I'm reviewing these awesome Beats by Dre headphones, and this is the best budget level, and this is the model EP. It's been like a week since I've got them, and so far so good. Amazing headphones with a very nice structured design and very comfortable and very stretchy. So here's my review that I've prepared for you. First, I would like to show you the box because I was impressed with the packaging. Packaging is what really sells. Beats by Dre stands out when it comes to packaging. Around the box, there are shown different information about the Beats. Now it's time to open the box, which comes wrapped up in light plastic. So here it goes, slide and open, change the way you hear sound, and Beats logo down below. Okay, pulling up this cashmere rope, and here you see the headphones which are inside this carrying pouch, which is good thought from Beats and feels so soft. By the way, this color is matte red. We'll go over the headphones in a sec, bear with me. Together with the headphones and the carrying pouch, you'll also get a quick start guide and a warranty card. Alright, let's talk for these Beats now. EP stands for Enter Premium Sound. This model is the introduction to Beats by Dre, the base model, the cheapest of all the budget headphones you can get from Beats. These are wired and don't work wirelessly. These retail from Beats for $130 and are available in 4 colors: blue, black, white and red. Talking design, first thing I noticed is how adjustable they are. No matter what head size you have, they will fit. They are made of stainless steel and plastic and are very durable, and believe me, are very well made. Instantly you can tell how high quality they are. Beats say they are made for life, but we'll see that. They don't only bend and flex wide, but also have adjustable vertical sliders which allow for personalized comfort. Ear cup pivots are also flexible in a less degree. They are wrapped in leather and are well cushioned. On top there's plastic material used, and there's the name's Beats on it. Inside is a nice feeling rubber, I would say soft and very comfortable. The frame that attaches to ear cups is made out of steel, and from each side there's the Beats logo firmly designed. One thing I would change on these Beats would be the cable. The cable is flat and is attachable to the headphones, so if you accidentally tear up the cable somehow, you'll need to replace your headphones with a new pair. I would love the cable to be much thicker and maybe be wrapped by a material which doesn't stuck on skin or clothes, let's say friction zero on anything. Along the cable you'll find the remote control as well, which works perfectly with Apple Family. On Androids, the only thing that won't work would be the volume up and down. Anything else will, like answering, declining calls, bringing up Google Assistant, changing tracks with 2 quick presses which goes forward a track, or 3 quick presses which go back a track, and pause the music. On the end of the cable there's the 3.5mm jack, which also marks the signature of Beats. So in aspects of design, these Beats are remarkable except the cable. If you get these guys, just pay attention and keep them with a lot of care. Let's talk now about the audio quality, which is the topic that concerns the most. They sound good with every genre of music, especially rock, pop and rap. The bass is still strong but not overwhelming, and the highs, though with very little details, don't distort, which is good, and still sound crisp, and clarity is very improved to their previous generation. They cancel noise better than most earphones, even though they are not actually noise cancelling. I found them very comfortable using for a long time, 3 to 6 hours while editing, and I usually keep my glasses on when I stay in front of my computer, and they fit extremely well. So in the end, are they worth buying? Well, I would love them to be foldable, of course, and maybe have a removable cable or reinforce the cable somehow, but for the reasonable price they have at $130 from Beats and around $80 in Amazon with discounts, plus the design which is just beautiful and the sound quality they put in, I would go for these beasts without any hesitation, and which I did actually, and I'm wearing right now. And that's pretty much it guys, thanks for watching my video. If you did enjoy my video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button below because it always does help a lot. And if you are enjoying my tech stuff, please subscribe to my channel because I want to upgrade to new equipment and buy new tech stuff, and so I bring my reviews to you because I just love tech and I enjoy reviewing them and just having a look at the new tech. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm Henry, have a good one, peace.